Nikki Whitmire, and I'm VP of Brand for 47G. We're here at the Zero Gravity Summit, an annual summit supporting dual-use technology and national security for aerospace defense in Utah, and we're excited for another year.
I'm Matthew Bates. I'm the Marketing Communications Director for Hexcel. We are a company that produces carbon fiber, honeycomb, all sorts of composite materials, mostly for the aerospace industry. We rely on Strike Visual for a lot of our booth setups. We go to events all over the country, all over the world. So it's really helpful to have materials that can set up and tear down super easy, super attractive, visually appealing, and tell the Hexcel story. So we're glad to work with Strike Visual. They've been great.